So hello my dear friends, welcome to my new video. In this today's video, I Pranav Ford, your master teacher of Little Dear Sir channel, is here with a very new and interesting topic, that is perimeter and area. So in this today's video, we are going to learn about the perimeter and area. But before the starting, like, share and subscribe our channel Little Dear Sir, and tell in the comment box to like this video. Welcome in our channel Little Dear Sir. So first of all, as we that our topic is perimeter and area, first of all we will learn about the perimeter. How will they know how much fencing they need? Suppose there is a farmer and he want to fence the farm. How would how would he know how much fencing is how much fencing is needed? So this is the fencing here, okay? And he want to fence the boundaries, so the boundaries are called as the perimeter. By the perimeter he can understand the perimeter of a figure. The distance of the way around the figure means the distance of the boundary is called the perimeter of the figure, okay? Now here we have an example of a rectangle. This is a rectangle, okay? Yes, yes, this is a rectangle. This is the breadth of the rectangle and this is the length of the rectangle. For understanding the length we will give the sign L, and for understanding the breadth we will give the sign B, okay? So here length means L is 9 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. Again here length is 9 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter, okay? So how to find the perimeter? Suppose this is the garden of the farmer and he want to fence this. So how to find it? We have to add all the yes add all the sides of the shape. The common formula to find the perimeter of every shape is the to add the boundaries of the shape, okay? Now here the length is 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, that is 15 centimeter. Sorry, 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter plus this 14 centimeter. 14 1 the 14, 14 to the 28. So it is 28 centimeter it needed, okay? The fence. Now what is the formula? Let's see. Now I given the basic formula which can be applied to all the shapes, but what is the main formula of the every shape? Let's see. Now here 6 6 6 and 6, 6 1 are 6, 6 to the 12, 6 is 18 and 6 for the 24. So perimeter is 24 meters. Next, this 9 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 4 centimeter. 9 plus 8 plus 4, that is 21. So 21 centimeter is our answer. Next 5 millimeter, 15 millimeter, and here 4 millimeter, 7 millimeter and 8 millimeter. So let's find it. 15 plus 5, that is 20, 20 plus 4 24, 24 plus 7 31, 31 plus 8, that is 39 mm, okay? Next it is 3 inch, 4 inch, 4 inch. Here a 4 inch, 5 inch and 6 inch. 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 4 15, sorry, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 4, that is 17, and 17 plus 4, that is 17 plus 4, that is 21, 21 plus 5, that is 26. So here perimeter is 26 inch, okay? Next, perimeter of a square. Now I told you the sum of the all side is the perimeter, but there are the formulas to find the perimeter. A square is a figure with four equal sides. When you see a square, there are the four equal sides of the square, okay? The perimeter can be found by adding all the sides together. As I told you, every shape can be find the perimeter by adding all the sides. It can also be found by multiplying the sides length by 4. Means suppose this is our square. Let's take another color. Yes. Suppose this is our square. Okay. And a side of the square is 4 mm. This also 4 mm. This also 4 mm. And this also 4 mm. Okay. Now what the formula says, the perimeter can be yes, it can be also found by multiplying the side length by 4. Means we have to take any one side, that is 4 mm, and we have to multiply it by 4. What is the answer? 4 for the 24. The answer is 24 mm. Now let's see by checking it. Sorry, 4 for there is 16. Sorry, 16. So now let's take it. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16. Yes, we have got the correct answer, that is 16 millimeter. Okay. Next, it can also multiplying by the side length by 4. We have to take one side and then we have to multiply it by 4, so then we can get the answer. So the formula for the perimeter of the square is P is equal to 4s. Perimeter is equal to 4s. Side, and when there is no sign, it is the side sign of multiplication. 4 into one side, that is perimeter of a square. Next, now we have to find the perimeter of the square using the formula P. P is equal to 4s. Now here the one side is 9 meter, so here 9 meter we will write, and next we will write the formula P is equal to 4s. 9 into 4, that is 9 ones are 9, 9 to the 18, that's 27, 9 4 are 36. 36 meter. So here the answer is 36 meter, which is the perimeter of this square. Yes, we have got the correct answer. So like this you have to write the answers. Next we have 7 inch one side. So here we have given only two sides, but as we know the four sides of the square are equal, so we have to understand that this is also 7 inch, this is also 7 inch. Okay. Okay, so here let's take one side, that is 7 inch. Formula is equal to P is equal to 4s. 7 into 4, 7 on the 7, 14, 7 is 21, 7 4 is 28. So 28 meter is the answer. Yes, it is 28 inch. Always means keep your mind on the this, what is it, the median by which we are calculating it. Here is meter, here is inch. Okay. Yes. Okay, 28 inch is our answer. Yes. Next, perimeter of a rectangle. Next we have the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, a rectangle is a figure with four sides. Opposite sides are equal. Means if you draw here a rectangle, these two are the opposite sides, so these are equal. These two are the opposite sides, so these are equal. Okay. The perimeter can be found by adding all the sides together. As there is the same formula for all the shapes, perimeter can be found by adding all the sides of it. As square can be also found, rectangle can be also found, parallelogram can be also found. All the shapes are having this property. It can also be found adding the twice width together the twice of the length. So what is the formula of it? Yes, formula, find the perimeter. P is equal to length in bracket length plus breadth by 2. So we have to add length and the breadth, or we can say it width. Length plus breadth, and we have to multiply it by 2. Okay, now let's find it. We have given here some examples. 12 centimeter is the length, that is L, and 3 centimeter is the breadth. So here first of all you will write the formula P is equal to length plus breadth into 2. Okay. Now let's write our numbers in this formula. Length is 12 centimeter plus breadth is 3, and we have to multiply it by 2. First of all, 12 plus 3, that is 15, and 15 into 2, that is 30. So here we are getting the perimeter 30. Yes, bravo, we have got the answer 30 centimeter. Okay. Next we have a square whose length is 8 meter. Length is 8 meter and breadth is 6 meter. So let's find it. what's the formula? Perimeter is equal to length plus breadth into 2. Okay, now let's write our values in the formula. Perimeter is equal to 8 plus 6, which is the breadth, and into 2. So 8 plus 6, that is 14, and 14 into 2, that is 20 h meter. So yes, again we have got the correct answer because we have used the formula. Now here again we have here the breadth is 7 mm, okay, and the length is 20 mm. So let's write the formula. P is equal to length plus breadth multiplied by 2. Now here length is 20 plus 7, that is multiplied by 2. 20 plus 7 is 27, and we have to multiply it by 2. 27 into 2, 54. So here we are getting the answer 54 millimeter. Okay, next we have one more example. The length is 9 inch. Perimeter is equal to length plus breadth by 2. Now the length is 9 inch and breadth is 5 inch. So how can we find it? Yes, perimeter is equal to, now here length 9 inch, we have to write here 9 plus breadth 5 inch, 5. 9 plus 5, that is 14. 14 into 2, that is 28 inch. So here we got the answer 28 inch. Okay, I hope you understood about this. So now we have completed our perimeter. Next the topic is perimeter and area. Next is area. Next we will learn about the area. Okay, how will they know how much carpet to buy? Now suppose there is a farmer, as I told in the, now here he done the fencing is over. Okay, but he have to means take a carpet and put a carpet on the whole inside his farm. So how can we do it? We can understand it using the area. Okay, yes, the area of a figure is the number of square unit the cover space in the closed figure. Means area of a figure is where there are square units. How we use the area, means how we understand the area, that is using the square units. So here are 45, so here are 45 square units. So it is the area of it is 45 square unit. Okay, a square unit is unit that has four equal sides. A square unit is a unit that has four equal sides. Now a square unit can be two types. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter is called 1 centimeter square. Okay, it is 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, and 1 inch is called as the 1 square inch. Okay, for metric units we say unit squared. Now here we say the units squared. Example, centimeters squared or centimeter square, we write like this. Okay, next, the area of a figure is found by finding how many square units it takes to cover the surface. How we find it? By using the square units. How many square unit does it take to cover all the this area? So it is understood. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here are 20 square units, and suppose it is of 1 centimeter square. So here we can see the area of it is 20 centimeter square. Okay, next, find the area of the figures. Now next we will find the area of the figures. Now here we have a figure in which there are some of the square. Now square units are given. First of all we have to find the whole square units. How many whole square units are there? We will find first of all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. There are total 12 square units. Okay, means whole square units. But what about these? Here also we have two whole units, that are 13 and 14. So what to do about the half cuts? So when we add this whole 4, so we get a square. So here also we can make these two square units. So 14 plus 2, after making all these, it is 16 square units. Okay, next we have one more, that is, first of all we will find the whole square units. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. So it is 23. Now half cuts, how many we can make by this? Let's see. Now 23, and by this all the remaining we can make 4 square units. So here we will get the answer 27 square units, because 23 plus 4, it is 27. Okay, square units, we have to write the square units. Okay, next, area of a square. Now we understood by using the square units. Next, we will see how to find the area using the formulas. There we are also using the formulas to find the area of shapes. First of all, the shape is square. The area of a square is found by finding how many square units it take to cover the surface. Now we understood about the square units, that this much square units are taken to take the area of that square. It can also be found by multiplying its side length by the side length. So side length by side length. So here, multiplying a number by itself is also called squaring it. So when we multiply a number with that number, it is called also squaring. Okay, so the formula for the area of square is equal to area, that is A, is equal to side into side. So what is the formula? Area of the square is equal to side into side. Now let's solve some examples using this formula. Now here, the side, wait a minute, yes, here side into side is there. Side into side is there, and here we are having 6. Okay, so here 6 centimeter of a side is there. Okay, so here what is the formula? Area is equal to side into side. So what is the side here? 6 centimeter, it is also side 6 centimeter. So 6 into 6, we will get 36 centimeter square. Okay, it is of the rectangle, but we are assuming it as the square. Okay, next we have 11, and here also we have 11. Okay, 11 into 11, so area is equal to, we have side into side. So what is the side here? 11. 11 into 11, that is 121 square inch. So here we are having 121 square inch. Okay, now this is the formula to find the area of a square. Now next we will learn how to find the formula of a how to find the area of the rectangle. Now as we seen, we can find the area of the rectangle using the square units, but there is also a formula, that is, using the formula area is equal to length into width, also called as the breadth. We also call width as the breadth. So length into breadth. Okay, we will use this formula to find the area of the rectangle. Now here we have a rectangle whose length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. Okay, so area is equal to length into breadth. So here length is 6 into 4, that is 24 square centimeter. Yes, we have got the correct answer, that is 24 square centimeter. Okay, next we have a rectangle whose length is, yes, length is, let's first of all we have to write the formula. Length is 11 inch into breadth is 7 inch. Answer is 77 square inch. Okay, now the length is 11 inch, breadth is 7 inch, so here we use the formula length into breadth, so we got the answer as the 77 square inch. Okay, next, perimeter and area of the figure. The perimeter is the distance the way around a figure. Let's now we are going to learn about the summary of the lesson. Perimeter is the distance way around the figure, also called as the boundary. So all, for all it is perimeter is equal to 28 meter. Now here we have an example that it is 8, 6, 8 and 6. So here what we have to use, we have to use the formula of the rectangle, because it is a rectangle. Perimeter is equal to length plus breadth into 2. Now here length is 8 meter plus 6 meter multiplied by 2, by which we get 8 plus 6, which is 14, and 14 to the 28. So here we get the answer 28 meter, which is the perimeter of this figure. Okay, now I hope you understood about the perimeter and the area. I hope you understood all the formulas of the square and the rectangle, of the perimeter and the area. But before the leaving, like, share and subscribe our channel Little Dear Sir, and tell in the comment box, do you like this video? Welcome in our channel Little Dear Sir, because we are the only channel which give you free education.